In the southeastern part of Europe, in the western part of the Balkan Peninsula, there is a state of Montenegro. Montenegro is a member country of all significant international organizations. There is about 650,000 citizens in Montenegro. It has low inflation rate and low taxes. The official currency in Montenegro is euro, and the capital city is the city of Podgorica. Coastal part of Montenegro is 293 kilometers long, and it is situated on the southern part of the Adriatic Sea. Temperature of the sea during the summer goes up to 30 degrees. The major advantage of Montenegro is in its coastal Mediterranean position, very favorable for development of tourism. Mountains occupy 95% of the total territory, and their foothills are based in the sea. In Montenegro, there is the largest lake on the Balkans, Skadar Lake, which is connected with the sea by the Bojana River. Bojana River meets the sea near the most southern Montenegrin town, Ulcinj. According to a legend, Miguel de Cervantes, famous writer of Don Quixote, was captured as a prisoner and slave of pirates from Ulcinj. In history, Ulcinj was known as the city of pirates. It is a real adventure to visit the square of slaves, to walk the footsteps of old pirates in the Balšiš Tower, to meet a place where the Orient meets the West, and to witness over 2,000 years of Ulcinj's history. Ulcinj is the warmest city in Montenegro, but in the same time the most desirable for vacation because of the low number of tropical days. In the vicinity of Ulcinj there are several sandy beaches. The largest of all is Velika Plaža, Long Beach, with a surface of 600,000 square meters and 13 kilometers long. The shallow sea is ideal for swimming. Tiny sand with diameter of 0.1 to 0.5 millimeters is also used for healing because it is rich with minerals. Tourists who had problems with bones, spine, sciatic, sterility, and other diseases were delighted with the healing effects of the sand. Also, a real festival for the eyes represents one of the most beautiful marinas in Montenegro. Its name is Porta Milena, and it is situated on the beginning of Velika Plaža. The surface of this beach is 600,000 square meters, and it can receive about 150,000 tourists. Tourists will enjoy not only the sandy beach and beautiful horizon, but also beautiful olive forests and thousands of mandarin trees in the exotic surrounding. This place is a real jewel of the Mediterranean, which is attractive not only for tourists, but for serious and responsible investors as well. Velika Plaža shall have its real valorization in the near future. Tourists from all over the world are discovering its beauties. They enjoy the fascinating sights of Ulcinj, Ada Bojana, and an attractive surrounding full of historical monuments and exotic places, of which is the most interesting Velika Plaža, the longest beach on the Adriatic.